guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna go do an overall check on the Falcon. So this is actually before the last video, before I actually announced buying the car. So if I say something doubled up and things like that, it's because I've actually recorded this video before I put out the other video. So yeah, we're gonna get straight to it. Last night we put the car up on the hoist. We found that it needed some exhaust rubbers, center bearing, and I got engine mounts. And yeah, so we're gonna do that tonight. Make sure it's all schmick. In the back, I got some tires and stuff. We're gonna swap those over, put some tires on the rims and whatnot, and yeah, and we're just gonna go over the car and make sure it's all good and make sure nothing needs to be looked at or fixed or repaired before we go out drifting, because yeah, it's gonna be pretty soon that we'll be back in a drift car. So it's very exciting, and if you guys haven't seen the last video, go check it out. It's just me introducing the car, and yeah, so this video will be more about walking you guys through it, kind of picking it apart a little bit more, good and bads about the car, and yeah, we'll go from there. Let's get it on the hoist and get it done. Fucking filthy, hey? Oh yeah. What a shit box. Oh my goodness. I like the idea behind this spoiler, but I don't know if I want to keep it. Maybe not. Oh yeah, it would. Roof screws. Brilliant. So if you can't tell by how munted this boot is, it's been in a few rear end crashes. As I said, got to slap a seat in it because it came with a sparker and I wasn't willing to pay the extra quiche. So yeah, we'll pull these out. Comes with the mounts and stuff still. So eventually I'll get 2 matching seats. But yeah, we're going to pull these rails out and slap the stock seat back in so I can actually drive it. Ignore the crap in it, but that is the original colour. It's fantasy, it's gorgeous, but it's definitely seen better days. Just went for a bit of a blocky. Shit flying around everywhere, just because it's full of crap at the moment, all spares and stuff. But yeah, it's actually hydro works, everything's it's actually really nice. This window rattles a bit just due to because it's missing that top piece. But yeah, it's actually a cool little car to drive. It's a bit of a handful. The seat sits way too high. I'll have to adjust that once I get power to that those switches. But yeah, other than that, it's not bad. Definitely needs something in the front end. Something seems a bit, not mechanically, just the way it's set up. So the plan is, so I'll drive it first, how it is, exactly how it is, clean it up, take all the shit out of it and just drive it. And then once I'm happy with it and I go, yep, it's actually a good car to drive and it's not healthy and I do like it, I'm going to get AU House front knuckles, extended knuckles, comes with a kit. I'll post it. Center bearings definitely seen better days. No good. And engine mounts are pissing out. So yeah, we'll just swap those over and go from there. Shane's already done the center bearing and the uni and put it in before I've even bloody done an engine mount. So I've taken them out, Just gotta put that one back in, and he smashed the tail shaft. I don't get it. Mechanics. Looks shocking with the stockies on it. So yeah, those wheels that were on the front and the back before, the Territory stockies and the XR6 wheels aren't coming with the car, it's coming on stockies. So if anyone's selling some half decent wheels to suit a Falcon, hit me up, because I don't necessarily want to be running stockies forever. And they're right, Shona. Looks like a proper Dunga. That's not a good look. That actually looks like it's straight out of Elizabeth. Hey. Well, very successful night. Short little video, just to get you a rough idea of kind of how everything's going with the new car. Mint tail shaft's killer. All sorted, engine mount sorted. Got a few tyres mounted. So this car's even got AC and everything. It's great. It's no heater, but it's got AC. It does need a few little things, but that's what I like to do. I like to make cars my own and have a bit of fun with them, make a bit of content. Still got power windows and everything, so I'm super stoked with it. Everything's still as factory, but it's a drift car. Hence why I wanted it. But yeah, I'm so stoked to get it back into drifting. It's not going to be a serious thing. It's just going to be whenever I got time to do it and make a bit of content and, you know, have a bit of fun. So yeah, if you guys are interested in any more drifting content, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you another night.